if you are planning to study abroad, especially in Australia, I would highly recommend for smooth visa process. Hello, my name is Rafsan. I would be starting my master's in artificial intelligence in Macquarie University in the upcoming July semester, and I got 10,000 Australian dollar per year scholarship. And I heard about Educo Pathways from one of my friends, and from the very beginning, they were really sincere and careful, and also they were really transparent about the process. So from the from choosing the subject and the university, they helped me a lot, and also uh, they guided me each and every steps of the visa processing. So one thing I really appreciate that my counselor was very responsive, and even outside the office hours, and I could call or text him anytime. So if you are planning to study abroad, especially in Australia, I would highly recommend for smooth visa process.